Senators Franklin Drilon and Joel Villanueva are standing pat. Senate approval is necessary in terminating a treaty. Senate President Tito Soto says he is inclined to support this position, but a decision has been made and the countdown has begun to end the visiting forces agreement with the United States. Some senators are looking to the Supreme Court to assert their position.
If the executive will continue to insist na yun ang kanilang position, then we have two different positions. And therefore, it will probably go to the, as we are all aware, it will go to the Supreme Court.
Palagay ko may possibility na makarating na Supreme Court yung issue namin, which is that we should be consulted upon termination, before termination.
On the eve of the serving of a notice to terminate the VFA, the Senate passed a resolution asking President Duterte to reconsider his decision to scrap the deal pending a Senate review. Only Senator Ronald De La Rosa abstained based on the Senate records. But Senators Francis Tolentino, Amy Marcos, Cynthia Villar, Bongo, Pia Cayetano, and Bong Revilla say they are also abstaining from the resolution. They are all administration allies.
I did not at any point vote. That is the actual status. And the passage of this resolution was without our knowledge that the vote was in fact taken.
While I respect the views of my fellow senators, I personally believe that as chief executive and chief architect of our foreign policy, it is within his power and prerogative to cause the review and termination of treaties and agreements.
Despite the development, Senate Foreign Affairs Committee Chairman Coco Pimentel says the Senate should continue the VFA review. There's already a pending case before the Supreme Court which is similar to the case at hand. Now, if you can remember, opposition senators asked the Supreme Court to compel the executive branch to seek the Senate's approval on the country's withdrawal from the International Criminal Court. A broader action is now pending before the Senate. Senate Resolution 305, which states that termination of or withdrawal from treaties and international agreements concurred in by the Senate shall be valid and effective only upon the concurrence by the Senate. The body has yet to act on this resolution, but this is something that we will watch out for. George Cahiles, CNN Philippines.